Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa blanca step by step. Start by gathering chilies, garlic, white onion, crema, queso fresco, lime, and salt, then toast chilies briefly for aroma. Blend with cooled garlic and onion until smooth but slightly textured. Stir in crema and queso to reach a creamy, pourable consistency. Taste and adjust with salt and lime for a bright, balanced finish that pairs well with tacos and grilled meats. Collect the ingredients and measure them before you start for a stress-free process. Roast or sauté white chilies and white onion until lightly charred, then cool so the crema won't split. Peel roasted garlic and combine with chilies, onion, crema, queso fresco, lime juice, and a pinch of salt in a blender. Pulse to the consistency you like, then taste and tweak with extra lime or salt if needed. In this video, I will show how to make salsa blanca step by step. Quick recommendation: on another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes hands-free while you cook, and it's easy to wipe clean if you splash a little salsa. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work in small batches to keep control over texture and flavor as you go. After toasting, let chilies cool so the crema stays stable when blended. Add ingredients to the blender and pulse, checking texture after each burst until the sauce is creamy but still has some body. Transfer to a bowl, stir in any last-minute adjustments, and chill briefly to let flavors settle, which makes the salsa taste more cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.